Alright, y'all, we're about to check out HYOLYN's Wait. When did this come out? 16 hours ago, actually pretty soon. Bro, I am so out of whack in the K-pop field, like in keeping up, that, damn, I like this font right here, actually. It's kind of like gooey, ooey gooey. Where is this? Is this Hawaii? Is this Bahamian Islands? Is this Philippines? Oh, I need to go to the Philippines. Without further ado, let's check out HYOLYN's Wait. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So this is the oh. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Off the Bizet?
The Filipino was too stunned to speak.
Oh, the makeup is fire. Oh my god, what are you doing? Something you longing for. Who's this Lolo in the background? Is that me? Is that me in the background? He's having a great time. Who the hell is that? Oh my. Oh shit. Is that a jeepney? Bro, she really in the film? She running a jeepney too? Bro, you know how many crashes I got in a jeepney? Sorry, anyway. And she won a Brazil jersey. Damn, Miss Ma'am. Ooh, goddamn. Hey, yo. Miss Ma'am. Woo. Okay. Damn, them bedroom shots kind of go crazy. Oh, that her with that makeup is really pretty too. With the flower. Oh, we got cage fighting? Muay Thai? Mabuhay! Mahal kita! Bibi ko! Where we go today? Oh. Ooh. She don't want to wait no more. No more patience. Damn. Won't stop. Oh, with the doggy. Ooh, okay, Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am. I was holding my breath the whole time. If you guys heard any background noise, that was my girlfriend fangirling while watching my stream. Live on Twitch, by the way. If you guys haven't followed the Twitch and kept up with it, do so. I don't know, with the freckle makeup right here? Oh my god. Look at this. Look at her. God damn. Anyways, HYOLYN, man, what can you expect from HYOLYN, man? She really be in her bag. She know what she gotta do. She knows what she can sing too. That's what's crazy. It's not even that crazy. I've been watching her since Sistar years, of course. Sistar 19, her solo stuff, they be hitting, and she's just her. She's just doing her, and I love every minute of it. And I think that's the reason why we love every minute of it. I mean, let's go. Wait, official MV, link in the description. Go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Peace. Oh, wait. Check out the Patreon. Check out the Patreon. New podcast called Ultimate Bias Podcast. First episodes with DPR Ian. Go check it out. Shout out to everybody in the whole team that created it. I'm just the co-host, y'all. It's not even my podcast. I'm just a part of it. Shout out to the creative producers. Hedgen's the producer. Come on, y'all. Go support it. Link in the description. Anyways, go check out the Patreon as well. Support your boy. Okay. They're saying I'm talking too much. All right, y'all. Peace. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.